Okay, greetings everybody. Today I want to show you a docking station near the sun over here, and you also see some kind of UFO over here. So let me enlarge this, take a better look. You'll let me. This is a space station or docking station, and I'm getting that. I don't think it's ours. I think it's not ours. But anyway, on the other photos, you will see like ships docked in here, similar to, I guess, to a space station on like Deep Space Nine, I believe, something like that. But it's I'm hearing it's a docking station or space station, and there's another craft here, like I said, and let me just go through the next one. Okay, this is a bunch of ships out in, above us, put it that way. And you can see it's not space debris. I mean, I'll enlarge it. If somebody has some high definition software that can run these through, you can get a lot more detail. See all these ships. Now these are supposedly they're here to help humanity. They're not the bad guys. There's supposed to be millions of ships up there. And let me go to the next one. It's another shot. I think you see some other little ships here, here, and that's a space station close to the sun. It doesn't burn up. So here we go. Except somebody has some high definition or whatever, 4K or whatever, ultra high definition software that can probably get a better resolution than this. So let me back up. Okay, let me go to the next one. It's I guess got a filter so you can see a little bit better. And I guess these are ships right here docked on the station. And there's another one. This one's better. It's got a, I guess another filter. You see it a whole lot better. I guess these are the ships right here. I guess these are the docking stations right here. And this is a real good picture. So anyway, I just wanted to show you these pictures. There's more on. Put a link in the description with more. There was just too many to put on here, and so you can see for yourself. And like I said, this is a space station, and the ships. And there's a ton of other photos of these ships and different types. And some little ones, and some are just huge. So anyway, let me scroll through these. There's the station again, and again. So anyway, like I said, the sun is not hot, so this station is not incinerated because the sun is not hot. Anyway, I just want to share these with you so y'all can share on Facebook and YouTube and with your friends or list or whatever. And there's more pictures in the link I'll put in there, so you can just browse through them and see all the different pictures. Like I said, some of them are just awesome. Anyway, hope you enjoy it.